This is just a little Milonga reminder. In this case, Milonga does not refer to musical interpretation. Milonga refers to Milonga vocabulary. So, Milonga vocabulary reminder. All right, the first thing we're going to start with is the Milonga Scissor Step, which is the basis of nearly everything that we're going to do in Milonga anyways, for a whole wide variety of reasons. All right, part one is that while you're not necessarily going to see somebody actually do this, the only reason that my arms are up are so that you can see the opposition that occurs. So we're going to step across the body on the 45, pointing my toe as I do, and engage in opposition. Yes? As I complete that step, or I complete the weight transfer from across my body, I want to come back to center and then place my weight and transfer my weight to the other foot and start the opposition in the opposite direction. I want to step back on the 45 as I do, come to collection, come back to center. Yes? And then start the process again. Yes, and now we want to go back in the opposite direction. Again, pointing your foot as you do. Notice that this is a fluid motion. It's not stopped and jerky like so. Not. Ideally, what we're wanting to do is create fluidity. From this angle, oops, let's back up just a little bit. Make sense? And now in the opposite direction. Make sense? All right. With a follower, so a good little tiny toy is to do this not necessarily from close embrace to start with, but rather from open embrace. Especially if you're just practicing. Yes? And now from close embrace. Yes, and then in the opposite direction. Make sense from this angle? And then we'll do it from both sides. Yeah, and you'll notice that we're both engaging in very tight, clean collections. Yes, and then in the opposite direction. Yes, from the other side so you can see this. Make sense? All right. Thank you, dear.
Yes.
All right. So notice what happens when we're engaging in scissor steps. from close embrace. That close embrace idea is because we're not doing this independent of a partner, that the opposition is very, very minimal. So it's not in the extreme as it was in the exercise, but there is a certain amount there that we do want to engage in there. It's not all flat, as it were. All right. So this is a scissor step. Next on our list of things to do